Take a look at this channel. They're creating short AI movies for YouTube, and they're getting thousands of views across their videos. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning AI movies with consistent visuals using Flova AI, just like I did with mine, starting from a single idea. So let's get started. First, head over to Flova AI and create a free account. Use the link in my description to register, and you'll get 100 credits immediately just for signing up, plus an additional 200 credits after exploring the platform. That's 300 free credits in total, which is more than enough to get you started. My name is Fred. Let's dive in. Right now I'm in Flova AI, you can see. When I click here on video, you can see they use a model called Seedance 2.0, which is the best for video generation. So what can I do? I click here on skills. After clicking skills, you can see they have more skills you can use to create your video. For example, you can use script to video or music to video, meaning you can upload your own music. Or there's another skill called narrative short film. For this tutorial, we're going to use the narrative short film skill. This particular skill is designed for creating story-driven AI films while maintaining consistency throughout the entire project. It helps keep characters, scenes, and even voices consistent from one shot to the next, which is incredibly important when you're creating a movie rather than a collection of random clips. If we open it up, you'll notice there's a lot happening behind the scenes. The skill already contains a detailed workflow, instructions, and logic that guide the AI throughout the filmmaking process. The great thing is, you don't need to understand all of that technical setup. The skill handles it for you, so you can focus on the story and creative direction instead. And if this particular workflow isn't what you're looking for, you can always go back to the homepage and choose a different skill that's better suited to your project. Now, instead of spending hours planning scenes one by one, I'll start with a single prompt and let Flova help turn it into a complete movie. After clicking here, I'm back on my AI chat. You can see it already shows the narrative short film skill added, along with the voice reference. I already added that, so I paste my prompt. This isn't hard. You can write out any idea you want. I've left a link to the Google Doc with the exact prompt I used in the description and pinned comment. But you can also just write out your own idea because the AI itself takes care of the rest. Now let me show you how I use my own face without changing my character. I click here, Upload, and choose my image. If you want to create a consistent character, you can use your own face, so I upload my own photo. After uploading, there's nothing else to do. You just click Generate. Once you click Generate, the AI starts analyzing what you want. You can use any idea you want in your prompt, no problem. This AI can guide you. Let me show you what happens next. After clicking Generate, it shows that the skill is ready, the video space is ready, and the storyboard is updating, meaning it's analyzing everything you've uploaded. You just have to wait a few seconds. After that, it shows a message where you can tell the AI chat what you want to do next. The good thing about this AI is that it asks you at every single step. It asks if you like something before you continue. So there's no problem, you just wait and let it work. Right now it's asking me to upload a custom voice sample, meaning if you want to use your own voice without changing it, you can, because this is called a voice reference. I click Upload, then choose Audio. Go to my Downloads folder and choose the voice I want to use. I send it, and it starts analyzing my voice so it can use it in my video. Right now in the chat I write, use my face as the character, exactly as it is. You can tell the AI to do exactly what you want, and it takes care of the rest. Step by step, no problem. So you wait, and this AI agent starts creating my face. It shows you the face it will use in the movie, and if you like it, you continue. Let me zoom in so you can see. This is the photo the AI created for me, using my own face as the character. There's no change to my face. It's exactly me, just designed into the scene, wearing all black in this one. When you like the photo, you continue, or you can ask it to regenerate. I liked it, so I scrolled down and asked it to move to the next scene. It repeats this process for every scene, creating a reference photo first, and if you like it, you continue. This is the best part about Flova. It asks you at every step instead of creating everything automatically. Once every photo is approved, it shows the environment and character are fully prepared. What would you like to do next? Meaning, it's ready to move forward. At that point, I wrote, yes, now start generating the video. After sending that, Flova AI goes into the workspace and starts generating every scene. It only takes a few seconds, and there's no limit to how many ideas you can create. Every video just uses a small number of credits. Once it's done, you'll see the video for every scene. If you like it, you continue, or you can click to regenerate. Now, the last step. Instead of using separate editing software like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut, this platform has its own built-in editing page. Once all your scenes are done, you click here on Timeline. It shows that the timeline is updated and you land directly in the editing space. From here, you can edit your video however you want, remove any part you don't like, since the AI isn't 100% perfect, add background music, or regenerate certain scenes. It's really not hard, it's actually very easy. Once you're finished editing, click Export, then confirm to export your video in MP4 format. It downloads and saves directly to your device, no problem. Flova AI brings visual consistency, asset management, workflow automation, storyboarding, and editing all together in one platform. Instead of paying for multiple subscriptions and constantly switching between different tools, most of the filmmaking process can happen in one place for a relatively low monthly cost. That's a massive time saver for creators. If you'd like to follow along, I've left a link to Flova AI in the description below. Create your free account and you'll get 100 free credits instantly, plus an additional 200 credits after exploring the platform, giving you 300 free credits in total, and start experimenting with your own AI movie right away. Now let me play the full video from my Flova AI workspace so you can see it for yourself.